It's a big blue house right here. Damn, look at this. Whoa, mama. Brand new. Sorry, baby, but you're second today. Every other day you have my attention, but today you're second. We got this truck just for like a day. If you haven't seen the video, 2 weeks ago, I released a video called The House Has Been Sold. That was like an emotional goodbye to my grandma's house. Today we're going back just to move some stuff. But if you haven't seen that yet, people, I don't know who, but they've just created like this social media challenge. And if they can watch the whole thing without crying and they like and subscribe, you can win 500 real Monopoly dollars. This isn't like a joke. This isn't fake news. So go do that. Got my coffee. To be honest, I love my car, I really do. But in this car, you're like so high up, you just feel better than everyone else. And I mean, I already like generally feel better than everyone else, but this is even better. All right, we just got here. My dad, oh, someone behind me. This whole having a truck thing is not easy, man. Gotta fit onto that driveway right there, but there's already a truck there and we gotta like... Okay, so there's like, most of the house is completely empty now. There's just a couple big things that we need to get. Like, we're taking this table, knickknacks. We're taking all of this.
We have to figure all this stuff out.
Are we buying a new house to go with all this stuff, or?
Oh, I'm hoping you buy a house and then you can take it all.
Unless I'm finding a bachelor pad, there's no reason to believe I'm buying a house anytime soon. Oh, this is nice. Mom, this will be perfect for you to serve breakfast in bed to me. And don't forget, we have to take all these chairs too.
So, Mikey, I know I've said this before, but may I recommend you help someone with something instead of just videotaping people work? You can actually get some work done. I'm just thinking out loud. Like, I'm not saying it's a good idea. I'm just spitting it out there.
I'm not being sarcastic. I would really love to help, but I have to keep.
You actually don't.
You taking that out to the car?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. I'm directing
We're
work.
about to deck him.
Hey. Good job, guys. Keep going. There you go, Tom. You can carry 2 bags at once. Just let Maggie know she's able to do that as well. You're able to carry more. You're able to carry more than 1 bag. Just so you know. I would say Maggie, to be honest with you.
In particular.
In the spirit of honesty.
In the spirit of honesty.
Oh,
And in the spirit of honesty, you're a lazy. What's the 4-letter word that comes
Nephew?
after that?
Your nephew? Is that the word you're thinking of? Yeah, you might want to turn off the me.
What?
You're filming your face. You have to film me. Follow me.
It'd be nice if you finally did some work for him.
It would be, wouldn't it?
But you really
You know, but I'm really taking a lesson from my nephew, who does nothing, like, but videotape people working. And you suck at ventriloquistry, by the way.
Thank you. See you later.
About to pull this big house in. Translated, I'm gonna pull the pickup truck into the driveway. All right, we're going to the thrift shop now. Oh my God, there's so much stuff. This is a big project. Thank God I'm like super like strong and muscular. Otherwise, I don't think any of them would be able to get by. I'm just a savior. All right, just got to the thrift shop. We gotta unload this stuff now, and this guy's taking himself way too seriously. All right, now onto the hard stuff. You done? Okay, what do you want to tell them about your salad bowl?
I just want to tell Mom that this salad bowl was in a box, unused ever, in its packaging. So why buy it? Just asking.
You guys feel like you're more educated now and knowledgeable that you watch that? Usually I'm a glass half full type of person, but I'm not seeing it that way right now. I don't know how we're gonna fit that big thing. This thing, we have to take the bottom, the top, glass table, shelves, all these drawers, 6 chairs, Helga. The other car's already full. We gotta fit all this stuff. All right, let's see if we can do this. Time for a break and some food. Oh my God.
Can bring the other unit, put it here, and lift this to the unit. Take a rest and then take it again. 2 steps.
Are we gonna carry the other one?
No, we're gonna pull it too. Let's go see how if we can do the other one. This is much heavier.
Okay, here comes the hardest part. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Step 1 done.
Jesus. Push your slide all the way in.
Push. Okay, yeah.
Get a chair or something.
Now we gotta turn these sideways. I can jump up from the side. I know this isn't the best timing, but okay. I can't believe you have the patience for me.
Whatever works. Come down.
All right. Okay, here's the scuttlebutt. I just spent the last 35 to 40 minutes creating this intricate web of rope and wood and ladders and boxes. So, this night will either end with those chairs through someone's windshield driving behind us, or we make it home alive and live to see another day. Okay, well, after pretty much my whole life, this is it. This is the last time I will ever be here at this house. And, yeah. A lot of good memories, all good memories, and, nothing to be sad about.
Do you see anything that would fit in the truck tonight?
That's how I feel right now.
That's Mikey.
Do I look like her?
No, I think she looks way better. Well, we're coming back tomorrow morning if you want to get up at 5.
I'm sad, but I'm not that sad.
Mikey, do you remember, or you don't remember, but we used to come here for the Egyptian Christmas,
Yeah, I remember.
January, right?
Yeah.
Julie. I miss you, Julie.
You look like you're suffocating her.
I know. I'm just losing it from exhaustion.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
I wasn't gonna take her, Julie, but Mikey made me. So she's gonna stay in Mikey's room.
Because what was?
Ready? Is everybody ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.